how to find 17 plus games on Roblox. So what we want to do is first verify our age. So from the settings here, I'm just going to go to settings, make sure that you are actually over 17 years old. So you need to have your age verified here. And if you are over 17 years old, what we can do is click on discover. And here you will see all of the different trends. So keep on scrolling here until you are able to find 17 plus in it. It's a little bit further down, so it might take a little bit of time to actually find it here. So you see all the different categories: shooting, voice chat, learn and explore, and here you can see only ages 17 plus. Now these are all the games that you can play if you are over 17 years old. And basically that's how you find them. Hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.